Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will talk about submarine relief. Okay. Now, in the submarine relief, oceans and lakes, we are going to talk about oceans. Ocean water is always on move. This movement of ocean water, together with river falling into ocean and wind, shape many landforms along the sea coast. Okay, near the sea coast, the movement, you are knowing that rivers and oceans, they are moving from long distance, they are traveling and coming. So this ocean water, they are going to make different shape, right, and make many landforms also. Chief among these are delta, estuary, cliff and beach. Now, we'll talk about each one by one. What is delta? It is formed near the mouth of a river where the sea is relatively calm. Okay, it is not flowing, it will be calm. Now, the river deposit their fine sediment. The rivers are going to carry so many sediments with them, clay and some stones, some pebbles, these and that. So they are going to carry the sediments with them. The ocean current or tide generally do not disturb these sediment. Whatever deposit which these rivers are going to bring, they are not disturbing this one. Which one? The sediments which is being carried by the river. The sea water rises by tide at the mouth of river, shape the triangular landmass called the delta. Okay, triangular landmass is being made and it is called a delta. The Ganga Brahmaputra delta is the largest in the world. Okay, near the Ganga-Putra delta, population is also very high and it is the largest delta, not only in our country but in the world. In case the river's current meet the sea tide, okay, current river is flowing in a particular way, so the river current meet the sea tide, an arm of water running island called an inlet or backwater. Okay, when the river is meeting the sea tide, an arm of water, right, is called an inlet, or it is also called a backwater, is formed. This is known as estuary, right. Now, there are many estuaries on the western and eastern sea coast of India. A cliff is a high, steep rock face near coast eroded by sea waves. Okay, in the sea coast you are going to see the different shapes of the rocks, right? Continuously, if the waves of the water is going to hit the rock, some part of the rock is going to be eroded, and by this erosion they are going to form some shapes, right? So that is called, because of the sea waves only, this is cliff is being made. Beach is formed by deposition of marine sediments which is being carried from the water, consisting of sand, shingle, cobbles, etc. on the seashore. We all have went through to some or the other sea coast. You have seen the beach, how the beach are. So this is being carried by the waves of the sea, and they are carrying the deposit also, that is the sediment. Sand is there most probably, and some kind of different shingles, cobbles, pebbles are going to be found on the seashore. Marina Beach in Chennai and Bondi Beach in Sydney are two well-known examples of the beach. See here, the submarine relief is being given here. Okay, inside the water also there are plateau, mountain, plain, etc. Right, these diagrams you have to draw all the diagrams in your copy, white page. Okay, now we will talk about the lake. A fairly large body of water comparatively surrounded by land. Okay, in the middle, water is there. All over, it is being surrounded by land. That is called a lake. These are also known as inland water bodies. Right? Inland, right? Water body inland. Lake which have outlet to the sea and receive water from river or spring are called freshwater lake. Right? Lake which have outlet to the sea and receive water from river or spring. Okay, right, season and all. Some lakes are formed by rainwater or may also receive river water during a particular season when the rainy season water is available. In the summer season there will be dry at the places near the lake, but have no outlet to the sea. The water of these lakes is stationary and salty, right? They are known as saltwater lake. The Caspian Sea is explained in figure number 5.3 here, earlier chapter. That is an example of saltwater lake. Hope you would have understood, children. So here you have learned about the submarine relief, right? Ocean and lakes. Now question answers you will be getting in the last class. Okay, now thank you, children.